Sa British Columbia, nakipagkita si Federal Minister Rechie Valdez sa Filipino-Canadian community sa Burnaby Miyerkules. Ibinahagi ang kanyang mga pinagdadaanan bilang unang Filipina-Canadian sa Parliament. Idiniin din niya ang suporta ng federal government sa mga isyung mahalaga sa mga Pilipino sa BC. Kasama rito ang matagal ng pangarap na Filipino Cultural Center. Ang report mula kay Rhea Santos.
Till this day, even after became a federal minister, unfortunately, I still get ID. And in fact, my team goes in, no problem. It's when I walk in, then I get stopped.
Hamon at di raw balakid kay Federal Minister Rechie Valdez ang mga nagiging karanasan niya bilang kauna-unahang Filipina-Canadian Member of Parliament.
I am not actually sad about it. It gives me so much motivation. It gives me motivation to show up every single day. It gives me so much motivation to keep representing, because one day it will change more for all of us.
Sa kanyang pagharap sa Filipino-Canadian community sa Burnaby Miyerkules, nanawagan sa mga Pilipino na huwag mangiming pasuki ng mga espasyo tulad ng politika para magkaroon ng mas marami pang kinatawan ng mga Pilipino sa Canada. Bitbit niya rin ang panawagan na maging bahagi sa pagpapalakas ng ekonomiya ng bansa.
We can't build the strongest economy in the G7 without equal and full participation with women, gender diverse people, and of course our kababayans.
Suporta sa mga Filipina entrepreneurs, trade relations sa pagitan ng Canada at Pilipinas. Ilan lamang po ito sa mga paksa na tinalakay sa pakikipagkita ni Minister Valdez sa Filipino-Canadian community dito sa Burnaby. Pero isa rin sa mga highlight ang suporta ng federal government sa planong Filipino Cultural Center sa British Columbia.
The province is really the lead on this initiative, and as they advocate to the province, once the province work on agreement directly with the Filipino community, then at the federal level we'll take a look at the proposal and work with the province of BC to see what we can do. But it's that unification for the community to come together that's vitally important.
Inilabas Hulyo ang What We Heard report, resulta ng Provincial Vision Survey na isinagawa para malaman kung ano ang mga dapat makita sa itatayong Filipino Cultural Center. Ayon kay Valdez, makakaasa ang komunidad na suportado ang katuparan nito ng federal government.
I think it's really important that the community comes together with a unified voice, and I really want to thank the Filipino community for doing that. They've come together, they're working really, really hard, and asking them to be unified in their efforts to put forward a proposal.
The community is united. We're ready. I think the time is hopefully soon.
The most important highlight, I would say, is the part where she assured the Filipino community that we have a voice, that we have a representation, that someone is advocating for the Filipino community in Parliament.
Bilang Secretary of State for Small Business and Tourism, malaking bagay daw ang trade mission na isinagawa ng Canada sa Pilipinas noong isang taon. Hangad niya raw makarating ang mga produkto mula small businesses sa Pilipinas sa Canada.
I was able to see and meet small businesses, and I've been so impressed with the new products, the innovation that they're coming up with. I want those products to come here as well.
Rhea Santos, Omni News, Burnaby.